Guys, we saw fireworks on July 4th.
Today's July 4th.
I know.
Maybe
Fireworks!
This one, but you don't. Let's see what we do.
Please. Please. Please open it.
Later there will be some fireworks, but right now it's still early.
Fireworks!
I know.
Don't admit a bit more closer.
So guys, these are the fireworks we're watching out of our bathroom window.
Yeah.
And hope you see our dollhouse show, and I hope you see our sister's video. But today we're celebrating 4th of July with some movie and fire.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. Did you hear that, guys? It's not really sounding.
Yeah.
We're inside our house, but we didn't open the windows, right? I think it came from the Washington Middle School. What if it gets to our tree? I saw a flashlight through our garden outside in our backyard.
The fireworks usually start at 10, but some people start it early.
I see fireworks coming from there, up the Washington Middle School. I don't know why it likes to be near to our house. Yeah, it's me. I don't know why it's coming from there.
There's so much fireworks.
I know.
Alright, I'm gonna stop this video because the real fireworks usually start at 10, so I'll get to that video later. So I'll be uploading 2 videos on July 4th. It will be kind of easy and also kind of hard because I may lose track of time, but I'm going to stop the video here.